Hey guys, and welcome to today's unboxing. I am so excited because we have one Apple bag for me to unbox. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I think pretty much you guys will be able to guess what's in here, but we have one brand new iPhone red, iPhone 12 product red. So excited. Wish my nails matched, but they have in here is one of the iPhone 12, the silicone case, the MagSafe product red cover for the iPhone. And of course, one of the MagSafe chargers. Now these are new, and to me they look a lot like a bigger version of what you would charge your Apple Watch. Plastic, one of my favorite things to do, and see what's inside with these nails. I've learnt my lesson, so I'm going to do it very carefully here along the edges. Hopefully not jinxing myself. No, that worked really well actually. Plastic's coming. As you can see from the packaging, Apple's left a smaller footprint, if you will. So here's what it looks like from the side, and here's what it looks like from the front. Now, if I bring in my 10R box, it's definitely a lot smaller. And I just thought I'd, show you the comparison. So I love a bit of a minimalistic look, and Apple is famous for that in my opinion with their design. So let's open up and see the actual phone now. We have the product red, as I said, taking it out of the box, taking the sticker off. So satisfying. This phone is so sleek. I love this minimalistic design. It's just beautiful. For this iPhone product red, it's more of a, I don't know if you call it an orangey red, but let's compare it to my 10R product red. So just so you could see the differences in colors. I actually like this new color as well. I think it's really pretty, but just so you guys can see the differences in colors from the 10R product red to the new 12 product red. And then we've got the USB-C to Lightning cable right here. Next up, we have in this little package, let's see what's inside. Okay, we've got the product red information. We have what I call the, it unlocks your SIM, the SIM key, if you will. We've got all the sort of paperwork information, and we have one white Apple sticker. So again, my first impressions of the design is it's super sleek. It's got a really flat screen with a very small minor camera bump at the back. I really like the feel of this phone. It might take a little bit of getting used to. We've come from more of the rounded phones, if you will, and as you can see from this comparison, this one has edges, but in my hand I feel like it's a really good size. So here we have the matte aluminium sides. Now, I looked into it, and apparently it weighs 162 grams, which is a nice solid feel, but for me, again, it's not too heavy. All right, so what I'm super excited about as well is this phone, guys, is 5G, and I can't wait to tell you more about that in my future videos. Now, the other thing is it has the OLED screen. Obviously, I've got to turn the phone on, but I'm really hyped and pumped to see how much better this screen is. So again, stay tuned for my future videos on this once we turn the phone on. iPhone 12 silicone case. By the way, just interesting enough, the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro are pretty much the same size, if not the same size. So you can see here that this case would fit a 12 or a 12 Pro. So just, to shout that out. Now I'm going to open it up again really carefully. This is super sharp. All right, so we're just going to take the box apart at the here bottom, and we're going to slide this out. So in this box, we have again the paperwork, if you will, and the cover, and it's obviously got the magnet. Can you see that round circle there, guys? That is the magnet that's going to attach to the phone. Let's just see how fast this attaches. I'm excited. Magnet in here, magnet there. Really cool. Snaps right in. So the whole point of having the MagSafe case with your new iPhone is that this MagSafe charger will actually be able to charge through the case and through to the phone, which is extra cool. So you could just charge it, I guess, with the phone only, or you could still keep your case on and be able to charge. So let me take this box open and we'll see what this MagSafe charger looks like. Let's get the MagSafe charger now out of the box. So here we go. Again, we've got designed by Apple California, and here's what it looks like. So the MagSafe Charger now has this round disc, and the USB-C cable is built right into it. So like I said, it's a bit like a mega Apple Watch charger. I think this is really cool. The fact that it can charge through not only your phone, but it can charge through the phone and the case is super cool. Again, I've got to now take everything out, charge everything, get everything switched on, and I'm going to come back and update you in some future videos. So please stay tuned for all of that, guys. Thanks.